Hey, you guys, welcome back to Lady T Got the Tea, where we got the cakes, we got the crabs, and we got the Timu reviews over here. Stay over here where the tea is always hot. So come sip and snack and spill some tea with me, your girl, Lady T Got the Tea. Hey, you guys, it's your girl. Let's make some Dubai brownies. If you're a Dubai chocolate fan and you love brownies, here's something I thought about. Because I'm a Dubai chocolate fan. And I wanted to make cookies, some Dubai cookies, but my brain started clicking and I was like, let's do brownies. So you can use any of your favorite brownie mix. It doesn't matter. I also threw chocolate chips in my batter, is what you see. Get your pan, grease it on up. A light grease. I just sprayed on there. Make the brownies as it is on the back of the box. Throw that in the oven for 350 to 15 to 18 minutes, depending on what your oven does. Got some butter. I'm browning for this katafi, and we're going to go ahead and brown it. Be careful, you guys, because you can burn this. So, um, where I took mine off of, because some people do it darker. I was okay with where I got with mine because I didn't want to burn it. You do want to watch this. It goes quick and starts browning. So this is the process. This is about as brown as I wanted mine. You can go darker. Just be careful to not burn it because you can taste that burnt in there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and throw this into a bowl and set it aside. We're gonna go ahead and take our tahini. I'm sorry, you guys, and use a good brand. This is a very good brand right here. It's sesame seed butter, basically. Yeah, like a peanut butter, but it's the sesame seed, but sesame seeds, if you will. And we're also going to add in our pistachio cream, which is just ground down pistachios into like a butter. Use a good brand if you can. That is a very good brand. Go ahead and mix that together, you guys. I'm adding green food coloring because I want it to show the green. That is totally optional for you if you want. Now we're going to start with making a little bit of a ganache to go on top. So I got my dark Hershey's chocolate chips. That's some warm heavy whipping cream. And we're going to let that start melting them chips up and then start mixing it. And just keep mixing it till you get it all mixed together to a good ganache. It's stuck at the bottom, so go ahead and fold it in, mix it in. It was hard because I had one hand and one hand with the camera, you guys. But this is what you'll end up with. Okay, so now we're going to start on the brownie, putting them together. Let's go ahead and put that pistachio mixture on top of those brownies in a thick or thin as you want layer. It's up to you, just like that. And also, go ahead and pour your chocolate on as you would. And then those are going to go into the freezer or fridge, whichever one is best for you. So let's go ahead. Okay, go ahead and pop those into your fridge or freezer till till the chocolate on top molds. Then we're gonna start on, after that's hardened and everything, we're gonna go ahead and take our white chips and make some orange and green chocolate just to drizzle on top because that's what Dubai does. So don't come for me with my chunks of chocolate on top in the orange and green because it is what it is. But this is how they came out. And I'm telling you, please tag me in if you make this recipe because you will not regret it. Lady T, don't tell no lies. And I'm going to give you the tea all day long. This is what you want. This was delicious, y'all. So go ahead, give me a like on this video. If you're not subscribed, please do. And come on back for more tea, y'all. Please try this recipe. Tag me in. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye, y'all. I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out.